Now our next topic is suppression of uprising. Okay, by mid 1857, it appears that the rules of company was over, at least in North India. Okay, we have read previously that the spread of uprising of the Indians, like Bhagat Singh were there, Rani Lakshmibai is there. तो उनने आपको अपराइजिंग किया था, बहुत सारी फाइटिंग की थी, बहुत सारे रिवॉल्ट्स किया था अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स. तो हमें मिड 1857 तक लगा था कि हमारे पास सारा नॉर्थ इंडिया का पार्ट्स अपने अंडर में आ गया है. बट द ब्रिटिशर्स हाउएवर सून रीऑर्गेनाइज्ड, दे विल सून रीऑर्गेनाइज्ड, एक साथ हो गए फिर से, एंड फॉट बैक, फिर से लड़ाई करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. वन बाय वन दे स्टार्टेड रिकैप्चरिंग द एरिया दे हैड लॉस्ट टू बी रिब्लाइन सीपोज. उन्हें स्टार्ट कर दिया फाइटिंग करना और अगेन उन्हें रिकैप्चर कर लिया जो भी एरिया के इंडियंस ने उनसे लिया था. सो द ब्रिटिश कमांडर्स सच एज कोलियन Campbell and the Henry Havelock was particularly successful. So the British commanders, these two British commanders are there. So they were successful against the fighting against the Indians, है ना. तो Indians के against फाइटिंग किया था तो वो सक्सेस हो गए थे. In September 1857, the British force recaptured Delhi. Then they again want to capture Delhi in 1857. This was a big blow to the rebellions. ये सबसे बड़ा आपका एक सिचुएशन था. बहादुर शाह जाफर वॉज टेकन प्रिजनर एंड डिपोर्टेड टू रेंगोन इन ब्रुमा. जैसे म्यांमार में प्लेस है एक, वहाँ पे बहादुर शाह जाफर को वहाँ पे कैप कर दिया था, जेल में डाल दिया था. विद दिस द रूल ऑफ द मुगल्स एंडेड ऑफिशियली आपके जो मुगल्स के जो रूल्स थे वो एंडेड हो गए थे. ब्रिटिशर्स विंस अगेंस्ट द मुगल्स. Despite losing the Delhi, अपने दिल्ली लूज कर दिया. Britishers took over the Delhi portion and the rebellion soldiers continued to fight. But the British now had the upper hand, and the Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Khan Bahadur Khan, Kunwar Singh died fighting the British. ये सारे जो आपके soldiers थे, मुगल्स persons थे, सब Britishers से लड़ते लड़ते खत्म हो गए. Nana Sahib and the Begum Hasrat Mahal escaped to Nepal and continued the struggle. They both will continue the struggle and fighting against the Britishers. Tantia Tope was arrested and hanged. इसमें से आपका जो तात्या तोप थे उनको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया था और उनको फांसी दे दी गई थी. सो विद इन अ ईयर एंड हाफ द ब्रिटिश हैज कम्प्लीटली सप्रेस्ड द अपराइजिंग. सप्रेस्ड आपके ब्रिटिशर्स ने कम्प्लीटली. Then the British used treachery to prevent another such revolt, and the rebellion was tied to the month of Kangons and blown off. Innocent civilians were miserably killed on a large scale. So उसके साथ Britishers will continue their revolts, and the most of the innocent person were died in that fighting. Even small children were subjected to inhuman cruel. इस छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी आपने टॉर्चर करना वहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो गया था. Sometimes entire village was burnt down and depopulated. और sometimes आपके जो सारे विलेज थे उसको आपने depopulate कर दिया, हटा दिया, लोगों को मार डाला और साथ ही साथ उनको वहाँ से विलेजेस पर्सन को अटैक खाली कर दिया, है ना, वैकेंट कर दिया. सो वाई डिड दिस अपराइजिंग फेल? सो ये आपके जो इंडियंस की जो अपराइजिंग थी उस फेल हो गई पर्टिकुलरली. So, the revolt of 1857 when the Britishers wanted the Delhi to capture. So, the first big challenge to the British rule was it failed due to the many reasons. What are these reasons why this uprising was failed from the Indian side? The revolt did not spread to all part of the country. This revolt will not spread to all part of the country. Nor was it supported by all the groups or section of the society. सबने इसको support भी नहीं किया था. Many Indians rulers refused to help the soldiers और rebellions को आपको soldiers से help करने के लिए मना कर दिया था. बहुत सारे Indians ने मना भी कर दिया था, वो join नहीं हुए थे. This was one of the big challenge why we are not having uprising. Some were openly. Now the second reason why we are not uprising, the revolt was not organized properly, है ना, उसको organize नहीं था, एक अच्छे से proper way में उसको organize नहीं किया था Indians ने. So the uprising is different part of the Indians were uncoordinated, है ना, तो uncoordinated थे वो, coordination नहीं था Indians के बीच में. तो that's why this uprising was failed out, and the rebellions had no proper ideology or program. कोई प्रॉपर प्रोग्राम भी उन्हें कुछ प्रॉपरली नहीं बनाया था. थर्ड रीज़न, द लीडरशिप ऑफ द मूवमेंट वॉज वेरी वीक. जो भी लीडरशिप थे, जैसे बहादुर शाह जाफर हो गए, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हो गई, उनके प्रोग्राम्स जो थे वो ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं थे और वो प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं कर रहे थे उस प्रोग्राम पे. सो द मोस्ट ऑफ द लीडर फॉट to liberate their own territories only. No national leaders emerged to coordinate and the movement and give it purpose and direction. So no particular leaders were there, no particular movement were there, no coordination is there. So there will be no uprising. Last reason, the rebellions was very short of weapons and finance. Obviously Indians were very short of finance, है ना, पैसे नहीं थे. अपने स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ा है कि इंडियंस के पास अमाउंट ही नहीं थी तो फाइट करने के लिए, तो कहाँ से उनके पास वेपन्स भी नहीं थे. ब्रिटिशर्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, उनके पास बहुत सारे वेपन्स थे, तो हम कैसे, वेपन्स मीन्स हथियार, है ना, विद गन्स, तो दैट was not there with the Indians. So the company's armies had access to modern weaponry and unlimited funds. Due to this reason, we are not uprising. Next topic is nature of uprising. What was the nature of uprising was? The nature of uprising. To underplay the importance of uprising, the British historian refers to its sepoys mutiny, and that is the few sepoys of East India Company was start revolted. So Indians again start revolt against the Britishers, but some soldier of the British East India Company will start for revolt against the Britishers. The fact of this suggests otherwise that uprising was very long lasting, बहुत दिन तक चला, and widely spread to all over the country because of the Greece Carthagena movement incident, है ना, मैंने explain किया था, जिसमें आपकी bombs जो थे ब्रिटिशर्स के, that was made by the skin of the cows and mixed, so the Indians were refused to manufacture that weapons. So this will the great uprising by the Indians, that they start revolts again against the sepoys, against the Britishers, and the participation of most of the peasant will be there. So in some reason the common people revolted much before the sepoys displaced their rebellion intended. All this shows that there was a great popular work by the Indians against the Britishers. Nextly, the uprising was characterized by the Hindu-Muslim unity. This uprising was fought by the Hindu and Muslim unity, एक साथ हो गए थे, and the people of both the communities fought together. इन दोनों एक होके, दोनों एक communities एक साथ together करके fought, लड़ाई start कर दी Britishers के again. So unity among different regions also existed, and the rebellions in one part of the country helped those fighting in other areas, and this rebellions will also affect the other areas where the Britishers were there, तो उनको हटाने के लिए this unity will very much effective. Seeing the spread of the revolt and the participation of the people, Indian historian termed it as First World War. So this was the first reason we have the First World War, when the unity of the Hindu and Muslim wills there, and they start fighting against the Britishers, and they create a First World War in 1857. This was a GK question also. Then when your First World War were held, it was in 1857. Okay, next topic, in the next video we will explain.